everyone, I'm Singh. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all safe and healthy wherever you are. So today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to attain natural makeup look with minimum makeup that I can use. I'm going to do it on one side of my face so you can see the difference from the other one. So I guess I've already finished with my skincare. I'm going to attach the link above so you can see what I've done before this. And now I'm gonna do the continuation with the makeup on it. So the first thing, the very important thing, because since I have got a lot of pores, I'm gonna bring the camera closer so you can have a better idea of how my skin looks like. So my skin is quite oily and has got a lot of pores, so I have to really work on my pores to hide them. So if you can see this area clearly, so this is the section of the pores, yeah. So I'm going to be using this product called Professional from Benefit, and all the products that I'm going to be using, I'm going to attach the link in the description box. So I'm going to gently dab all the area where I've got pores. The better you prime your face, the makeup is going to look good. So okay, you're not going to see much of a difference right now. Okay. The next product I'm going to be using is no sebum powder. So now I'm going to be applying BB cream. I do not like to use any foundation, so I'm going to apply BB cream. So the BB cream that I use is the Korean brand Misha, and it has already got some sunscreen in it, so that is even better for my skin. So I got this sponge, and I've already soaked it in cold water, and that's how I'm going to work with it now. So now I'm done with applying BB cream to my face, so you can see the difference. There are no red spots on this side as on here. So my next step is gonna be a concealer. So I do not like to use concealer under my eye, it creates a lot of crease. I'm gonna be using as an eye base for my eyeshadow. So it's just one dot, and I'm gonna dab it with my finger. So that creates a good base. Now I've completed applying the concealer over my eyes and eye base. You can see the difference. My eye already looks like I've got a liner over here comparing to the other side. You can see the features are already enhanced in this one, but they still look natural. So the next step is going to be, I'm going to be taking this Fit Me powder from Maybelline. I'm just going to go all over my face, and that actually sets everything in place. I'm going to be using a random brush that I have, so I'm just going to set it, tap tap. It's very important to go over your ears, so it just does match the skin color, and over your hairline over here, so there is nothing left. Next step is gonna be this Lancome palette, and I'm gonna attach the link below. So I'm gonna be using the shade which matches exactly my eyelid. This is gonna be the shade. and I'm going to be using a little darker shade like this one, and I'm going to mix it with the same shade that I just used and dust it off. And I'm going to be starting with the outer corner towards inside over the bone area. Next step, I'm going to be using this brush, and I'm going to be taking the darkest color, which is non-shimmer, this brown, and with the little shimmer shade which is in the center, I'm going to take a little bit and apply it to the inner corner of the eye. This line, that's how it's going to look like. So now I'm going to begin with my mascara. It's telescopic from L'Oreal, and it's by far one of the best mascaras I've ever used. You can see the difference in the lashes, like, you know. So this is the brush. So I start from the base of the eye, going outward. I'm gonna work through on my lower lashes a little. So you can see the difference between both the eyes now, and there are no false lashes, it's just real. I'm gonna work on my brow area. I've got a little gap over here, so I'm just gonna fill up the gap. So this is a gel side, and this is like a powdered side, like eyeshadow kind of thing. So I'm just gonna go through and apply the gel first. So line, and then go with the outer strokes. Yep. So, and then I go with the powdered side. The same area. So you can see the difference now. Blush with the same brush. Now I've finished doing my blush. I'm going to be using this brush for highlighters. I've got this highlighter from Singh, and I'm going to be using, okay, I like to use all the colors that just go over and dust off like this, and I go like, gonna do a little bit over here under the brow area, just a little. This lip pencil to draw my lip line. If you've seen my previous video, you'll be able to find this product I was using. It's a lip sleeping mask, but I like to use it as a lip gloss. I hope you liked the video. Please do give it a big thumbs up. Do not forget to comment in the section below how is the video, and subscribe. You know the drill. And till then, please take care. Bye bye.